I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock pitch. First, begin by introducing the company you are pitching. Clearly state its name and ticker symbol. Then, provide a concise overview of what the company does, its core business model, and how it generates revenue. Highlight its key products or services and its competitive advantages. This initial step sets the stage for your entire presentation, giving your audience a solid foundation. Next, delve into the industry landscape. Discuss the overall market size, growth rates, and any significant trends impacting the sector. Identify the company's main competitors and analyze their market shares. Explain how your chosen company differentiates itself, highlighting its unique selling propositions. Understanding the competitive environment is crucial for assessing the company's long-term viability and potential for expansion. Now let's talk numbers. Present a thorough financial analysis covering historical revenue, earnings, and cash flow trends over the past 5 years. Discuss key financial ratios such as price to earnings and debt to equity, comparing them to industry averages. Crucially, outline your valuation methodology, perhaps using a discounted cash flow model or comparable company analysis. Conclude with your target price and the potential upside. Finally, articulate your clear investment thesis. State whether you recommend a buy, sell, or hold, and provide 3 to 5 compelling reasons to support your recommendation. Crucially, address the potential risks associated with your investment, such as regulatory changes or competitive pressures. Conclude your pitch with a powerful summary, reiterating your conviction and the potential for significant returns, perhaps 20% or more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.